Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into mobile networks. Probably heard of 3GE, 4GE, and even 5GI, which caused a huge buzz and some controversies in the last couple of years. Well, in today's video, we're going to explore the fascinating world of 6G networks. 6G, it's not even here yet, but if you watch this video right to the end, it'll catch you up on everything you need to know about it. Before we jump into the mind-blowing advancements of 6G networks, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Remember the days of 2G when we could barely send text messages or make phone calls without the line dropping? Then came 3G, thanks to which we could browse the internet and even send multimedia messages. After which 4G arrived and revolutionized our lives with lightning-fast internet speeds, HD streaming, and incredible online experiences like connecting the Internet of Things, I/O, and industrial automation systems. Mobile operators in China, South Korea, and the United States began rolling out 5G in 2019. But to be realistic, its penetration among consumers is still low in 2030, with just 1 in 7 people worldwide today using a 5G smartphone, according to Strategy Analytics. Most recently, there's been a lot of hype and news and concerns about 5G, which promises super fast downloads, ultra-low latency, and a whole new realm of possibilities. And what could possibly be even better than that? Let's find out. Right, so the burning question is, what exactly is 6th generation mobile or cellular networks? Is, of course, the highly anticipated successor to 5G that'll deliver truly omnipresent wireless intelligence, and it's expected to be commercially available by the end of the decade and take the connectivity game to a whole new level with exponentially high speeds that can go beyond what our minds can currently comprehend, as if AI isn't enough. According to Ericsson, 6G development is based on creating a seamless reality where the digital and physical worlds as we know them today have merged to provide new ways of meeting and interacting with other people, new possibilities to work from anywhere in the world, and new ways to experience faraway places and cultures. And in facilitating all of this and much more, the network is expected to facilitate and support extensive improvements in fields like imaging, location awareness, and presence technology, besides being also opted to work with other technology niches, such as artificial intelligence to enable 6G's computational infrastructure. So that crucial decisions may be made based on data processing, sharing, and storage while representing the least latency. Let's take a look at the key technologies that will enable 6G wireless communication: artificial intelligence, terahertz communications, optical wireless technology, massive multiple input, multiple output technique, FSO backhaul network, 3D networking, unmanned aerial vehicle, quantum communication, blockchain, cell-free communication, big data analytics, holographic beamforming, integration of access backhaul networks, integration of sensing and communication. Speaking of its utilization of an incredibly wide spectrum range, while 5G operates within the millimeter wave spectrum, 6G will venture into the terahertz spectrum. This means significantly higher frequencies, blazing download speeds, and mind-boggling capacity. You thought 5G was fast? Well, prepare to have your mind blown with speeds that could potentially surpass the 100 gigabits per second mark. Now, compared to the 5G network that is already applicable in major cities and towns around the world, especially in countries like the US, UK, and Australia, the 6G network is expected to support increasingly innovative applications under the realms of wireless technology, connectivity, and communication, imaging, and cognition. Why? To facilitate potentially significant advances across the globe, connected world. Just imagine the endless opportunities and the incredible breakthroughs it will bring. It's an exciting time to be alive, and I can't wait to witness the breathtaking advancements that await us. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to drop a comment down below and share your thoughts on 6G and 6G networks. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more thrilling tech updates right here.